So my channel is going to be only for kids. Going to be for kids, but no comments. So y'all can definitely have your thoughts on your minds at homes about what should I do with these saws after when I get them fixed. But I don't think I never want to sell these, but I want to keep them around. But they're definitely worth keeping. But I don't usually collect chainsaws. But chainsaws are tools. I usually use them for different jobs, for different logs, which I need to use. So I went to Menards yesterday and got some bar oil. Got that. Now I'm ready to go. And next step will be the service station. I have to put some gas in the cans. And put the gas in the World King cans and the other one sitting there with 32-to-1 mark on it. And use it as straight gas to put fuel into the cans when they have a tank and refuel them. And an hour ago I tried to start this thing, but it's making a cracking noise, but I don't want to take a chance by breaking this sucker, but I'm not sure what's going on with it. But I used it since about almost 3 years ago, after when Corona hit, right before I had this channel. But I used my GoPro Hero 3 on that day, but it didn't do too bad. I like my GoPro Hero 3, but I'm gonna be looking for it. But when I find it, I'll probably make a first video for you guys. And this is my Husky 450, as you already seen it on my other video back in November with a new bar on it. I got a new shield for it, and it fits. I put the shield on the steel 031 AV Farm Boss, and I gotta get more Husqvarna shields for these. That one, including the Super XL right there. This one's already got a shield. I hadn't started this thing in a while, but someday I will. I put the pull-on pro in its carrying case. And I think it's been a long time since I used to start this thing, but let's get it out of the case and see if it'll start. And I did put its original clutch cover on it. As you can see, I got the new bolts for it. Got almost original. I'll find its original choke lever. That goes to that other one. But I'm definitely using that one as for parts. And this thing did start on the first pull, but I believe there ain't no gas in it. I believe there ain't no fuel in him. Let me just put some fuel into him and a little bit of chain oil just to get him started. I use 50-to-1 in these cans. I already marked the other cans. 50-to-1 and 40-to-1. Other one I had 32-to-1. I already put oils in cans so I don't mix them at the gas station. I really love these old cans. I love these. I really do. So this saw is 50 to 1. I put 50 to 1 in there. But if you guys are going to be wondering at home about bottle oils, but if you're going to be wondering if you can wonder if you use motor oil instead of bottle oil. But you can, but it's better than nothing. But, I wouldn't recommend using motor oil because it has so much tensity in it. It can wear out stuff and clog up your oilers. But Menards bar and chain oil will be better, which is cheaper. I got it at Menards. Oh shit, I spilled it over the vacuum. Mistakes happen. Mistakes happen, but I'll get it wiped off. Oh dear. I'm making a bigger mess. Next time I'm gonna have to use a funnel. I think I'm gonna have to find me a funnel for it. But don't worry. When I had a funnel next time, I do got funnels, but I gotta find them, but hopefully it wouldn't happen again. I know some of you guys are going to be pointing out your vacuum's going to catch on fire, but I usually wipe it off before I use it. I use it to clean up the garage. That's what I definitely use it for. Cleaning up garage messes like wood chips on the floor. That's what I use it for. But I can definitely use it to clean out the car with it. But I can definitely use that to clean up the car. Alrighty, let's see how he starts. It's been about 4 years since I used this thing. Let's see how he does. I think I got it flooded. I'm gonna hold the throttle on it. Almost. But it does fire up at one pull when it's hot. Love y'all on that. But it still runs. But there was a screw in the flywheel the entire time, so that's why I won't even allow it to start. I love y'all on that, but that thing still runs. And the chain seems to be a little bit dull. I'll probably put him in a piece of wood. I'll probably put him in a piece of wood when we do a 18-inch shootout with 3 of those chainsaws. Poluan Pro, Husqvarna 450, and Ryobi. And I did ran the Hunlight Little Red XL for the day too for a bit. But it'll be seen in a cold starting video next month. I'm gonna get a longer shield for this thing. This shield goes onto a Ryobi. Still runs like new. I haven't even started this post saw in a while. Hopefully it'll start. Let's see what happens. Still runs. Whatever. But it runs. It still runs. Let me go get the other one and show you. I think I'm going to go ahead and pause the camera for a bit before the video stops.